everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. There are many ways by which you can decorate your plain kurti. In this video, I am showing you few designs which are made by using satin ribbon, fabric paint colors, by doing embroidery work and applique work. So continue watching the video till the end to see these designs and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.